Today we are going to make a chicken special dish, dhaba chicken. The whole spices we will need at first are cinnamon sticks, bay leaf, nutmeg powder, clove, mace, whole red chili, green cardamom, black cardamom, and whole cumin seeds. Let's start. Heat the pan. I'll be using mustard oil. We're going to wait till the oil smokes. When the oil starts smoking, we're going to put all of these whole spices together into the oil. While the spices sizzles, meanwhile we are going to crush some garlic. Like this. Adding crushed garlic and 500 grams of sliced onion. We're going to cook this for a while until the raw smell of the garlic goes away. Next goes in some coriander powder. Now I'll turn the stove to low heat. This is the second time I am crushing garlic and ginger. Here I've added 75 grams of ginger and 75 grams of peeled garlic. This is how we are going to crush it. We will not make a fine paste. This is the desired texture I'm looking for. I have turned the stove back to medium heat. At this point, we are going to add the crushed ginger garlic. I'm going to put in one whole garlic. Now goes in the chicken. I'm using free-run country chicken. Now I'm going to put the flame on medium-low. Put the lid on and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add some chili pepper from the top. As I mentioned, this is country chicken. This will take a lot of time to cook. I would say at least an hour or so. Sometimes it takes longer than an hour. You add this chili pepper according to your taste preference. I'll put the lid back on. Again, let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes on low medium flame. In 25 minutes, the chicken is done only 40%. As we can see, I have not used any water at all. The chicken itself releases a lot of moisture and it cooks in the moisture of its own. At this point, I'm going to add some brown sugar. I like using brown sugar, but you can use regular sugar as well. And salt as per taste. Once you add the salt and the sugar, you'll notice a slight change in color. Now it's time to add some chili powder. First, I'm going to add some red chili powder. And some Kashmiri chili powder. Now you have to note here, you add more Kashmiri chili powder than regular red chili powder. The Kashmiri chili powder gives the red color and the regular chili powder gives the heat or the spice. I'm going to add some more Kashmiri red chili powder and some turmeric. I'm going to beat up some yogurt. I'll add this to the chicken. The oil you see here, a lot of this is released from the chicken itself. You can scum a little bit off. This has been cooking for 45 minutes now. We'll be ready in another 15 to 20 minutes. I'll put the lid back again. I'm going to add some garam masala just before plating it. This garam masala is made up of cardamom, clove, cinnamon sticks, and a little bit of mace. Dhaba Desi chicken is now ready to be served.